welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to chat with customer care agent in Amazon using the Amazon app. So that's what we are going to see in today's video. So it's a little tricky to start a chat with an agent in Amazon app. So we'll see how we can do that. Hopefully everyone should be able to chat using this method. So yeah, before we start, I would request you all to please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. That would help me a lot. That would help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So somehow you'll have to reach the customer care support. So either you can click on any of the product what you have ordered, and there should be get product support. So here there'll be chat with us option, and here you can try giving chat with agent. So here you will get two options, either chat now or call now. So right now it's already 1 a.m. so maybe chat is not available. So that is one way to chat. So the other way is you can type customer care or customer support in the search bar. So you can search for customer care chat with us or something like that. So when you search, you'll get this option, Amazon customer service. Click on that. So this is the main problem. They will redirect us to this page. So from here, what to do, we don't know. So what we'll do is we'll click any of the product. So let me click this. So they will take us to this page. So here also we are not sure what to do. So if you give I want to know the return policy, they will give some already available answer. So there is no chat option in the bottom as well. So if you try to use the other option, same thing, you'll get some already available answer. So only way to reach customer care is via this particular option, status of cashback or reward. So when you do this, you will get to see another option, that is continue to customer service. So here you'll get to see start chatting now. So you can click on this and it will load the chat session. It will come up with some AI questions, etc. Just give yes. So you can select the relevant answers. So they will only provide you, an option to chat with agent. So here you can chat with agent now. Option will come up. You can click on chat with agent. If you want a call, you can request a phone call as well. So if I give chat with agent, they will connect us to the agent, and that way you can have a conversation with the agent and resolve your problem. So yeah, that's how you can reach the customer care and chat with an agent in Amazon app. So hope this was useful. So that was a quick video which I want to do. So let me know if it was useful in the comment, and again I would request you all to please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. That will help me a lot. So please do subscribe. So that's on the video, guys. Let's catch again next video, and after some time they will connect us to an agent, or it might be too late, so it might be taking a little time, but this is the process. So yeah, let's catch in next video. Until then, see you, bye.